Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to do exercise 5.2, the chapter powers and roots. Number 1 is very easy. Find the square root of the following number. Okay, how you will find out the square root? Write 4 by 11. So square root of 4 by 11 equals to 4 by 11 whole to the power 2. That means 4 into 4 and divided by 11 into 11. That is equals to 16 by 121. Number 2. Find the square root of the following numbers by prime factorization method. Okay, 5621 is the given number. So first do the prime factorization of the number 5625's prime factorization. So here I got 5 5 5 5 4 5's and 3 2's. So I have written it here. Now this sign is known as root over sign. When we are doing square root of any number, at that time we use this sign. When we are taking number out of this square root sign, what you need to do? Pair of same number, you need to take one number. So from this pair take 1 5, from this pair take 1 5, and from this pair take 1 3. Okay, so here the answer is 75. So square root of 5625 is equals to 75. Now question number 3, find the square root by division method. Listen to it very carefully, look it very carefully. 9801. How you will solve it by division method? It is like division but just not exactly division. Do group of pairs of number from the right side. From the right side do the group of pair. One pair, second pair. Now take the first pair, 98. Which number square is nearly 98? It may be less than 98 or equals to 98, but remember it cannot be more than 98. So 1 square 1, 2 square 2, by this way. See, 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81 and 10 square is 100. So as 10 square is 100, greater than 98 you cannot take it. So you need to take 9 square. So write here 9. 9 square is equal to 81. Write here 81. Now subtract this number, you will get 17. So what you have to do here? Double of this number you need to write here. Forget this 9. Forget this 9. What is here? 18. 18. How you will get this number? By multiplying this number by 2. 99 into 2 is 18. Okay. 17 is here. So you cannot divide 17 by 18. You need to take this pair, 0 1. Okay. Any number you cannot take by single way. You have to take pair, 0 1. So now the number is 1709. Now beside 18 you have to take a number with which same number you need to multiply this number. Okay. So see, it is 1701 and here it is 18. So the last digit will be a number. If you multiply the number by the same number, the last digit will be 1. When it can be only 1 square is 1 and 9 square is 81. 9 square is 81. So last digit is 1. Okay. So take 9 beside 18. And multiply the number by the same number. This is the rule. Remember, this is the rule. The number you are taking beside this number, you have to multiply this number by the same number. If you take here 1, beside 18 you take 1, then by 1 only you have to multiply the number. So as I am taking 9 beside 18, I need to multiply this number 189 by 9. So if I do this, see, this is matching 1701. So it is over. 0 is the answer of the subtraction. So the number I am writing here, the same number I have to write here. So what is the answer? This is 99. Okay. Now question number 18225. Question number 2, 18225. See, this number is odd. The number of digits is odd. From right side take one pair, another pair. So number 1, this number is left. Let it be. What you have to do? See, 1 square is 1. So write here 1. 1 square is what? 1. So subtract 1 and 1, you will get 0. No need to write 0 at the beginning of any number. Multiply this number 1 by 2, that is equals to 2. 1 into 2, 2. Now take the pair 82. You cannot take any single number that I told before. Take the pair 82. Now beside 2 a number you have to take, with the same number you need to multiply this number. So if you take 4, 24 into 4, that is 96, which is greater than 82. You cannot take it. So multiply 23, means take 3 beside 2. So the number will be 23. Into 3 you have to do. So this is 69. So take it here, take here 3, and this number is 69. So after subtraction I got 13. Okay, 13. Now here is also 13, but here you need to write double of this number, that means into 2 of 13, that is equals to 26. Okay, now take this pair 25. So the number is 1325. So beside 26 you have to take a number with which you can multiply the same number. The last digit will be 5. Okay, the last digit will be 5. So take 5, because only 5 is a number. If you multiply by 5, then the answer will be, last digit will be 5, because 5 5s is 25. So 265 into 5 is equals to 1325. 1325 is matching with here. So take here 5 and here 5. So answer root over 18225 is equals to 135. Try to solve the problem till question number 3. If you have any doubt, ask me in your live class. I will solve. Thank you, class.